The United Republic of Tanzania is endowed with many islands, of which I know most of you are familiar with Zanzibar. But there are other beautiful islands such as Kilwa, Mafia, Bongonyo, Rombondo Islands, all in Tanzania.
If we die, we die.
Hey, no. You are well. No, say if I die, I die.
Hi guys, you are welcome to my channel. How are you all doing? So in today's video, as you can see, we are in the bus and we are going to an island. But before we get to this island, we need to go through the Indian Ocean. Do you guys remember in my video to Zanzibar, I showed you MBUDYA Island? That is where we are going, and we are going on a boat. Safety first, guys. So these are our life jackets, which we are going to wear before climbing this boat, because life on this Indian Ocean, you guys will understand in the video. But you guys, let me admit, getting onto this boat and being on this Indian Ocean for about 30 to 45 minutes, it wasn't easy. It wasn't. No, it wasn't. But yeah, here we are, ta-da, all set in this boat. This boat takes at most 15 to 20 people, and you must be sitting at the vantage point. You must balance it, rule number one. If not, the boat might capsize. Yes, but it's very safe because we are in our life jackets.
If we die, we die.
Hey, no. You are well. No, say if I die, I die. Yes, say if I die, I die. Me, I'm not bad. Oh my gosh. Okay. Hey, you both stop that.
If we go, we go.
You guys stop it. Hey, they want a bag. Sandra.
Gas pedal.
Okay. Hey, baby, I'll see.
Are you ready, kids?
Aye, Captain. Ah, yeah, cool. Huh? But so baby, I didn't even do this. Make me answer me a sign. Who best swim? Hey, who they done it? Me the means. Hey, so Jaisa, don't be pessimistic on the boat. Me quiet, but hey. Maybe I want to say, yes. Live niggas. They have no power. Hey, me say he has not given me the spirit of fear, but of power. Obi, I didn't. Yes, and of sound mind. Why is it one side like that?
You bob.
Our side actually. No one is sitting on that. That's how easy. I know.
We are getting closer to MBUDYA Island, and from this distance, you can see nice ocean water. I mean, nice sea, white sand, green trees, nice skies, beautiful people in boats.
So this is MBUDYA Island.
MBUDYA Island is an uninhabited island located north of Dar es Salaam, Tanzania's capital city. You guys, I'm tired of the talking. Let's do some swimming. MBUDYA Island is one of the 4 islands that make up the Dar es Salaam Marine Reserve. So if you want an escape out of the busy capital city, just take a boat to MBUDYA Island, pick a beach hut and order for fresh seafood delivered straight from the ocean. Apart from sunbathing, swimming, hiking, you can come and play football, volleyball. There are also some great nature trails on the island where you can spot and learn about snakes and also rare coconut crabs. Isn't this beautiful? Watch me play the volleyball now.
Yes, man. Yes, man.
Hello guys! Try to balance the boat!
At MBUDYA Island, you get very beautiful sunset views. MBUDYA Island is very peaceful, very neat, very friendly. In fact, all the very good adjectives can be used to describe this island. And my team and I, everybody on board, really enjoyed MBUDYA Island. I don't mind getting onto this Indian Ocean for another experience at MBUDYA. Thanks so much for going with us to MBUDYA. Don't forget to subscribe.